Sassarese, Sassarsu Aturatanu, is an Italo-Dalmatian language and transitional between Corsican and Sardinian. It is regarded as a Corsican-Sardinian language because of Sassari's historic ties and neighborhood with Tuscany and Corsica. Despite the heavy Sardinian influences, especially in the vocabulary and phonetics, it still keeps its Tuscan roots, which closely relate it to Gallurese. The latter is regarded as a Corsican dialect despite the geographic location. Although this attribution is a matter of controversy, it can be considered a transitional language between Italo-Dalmatian languages and Sardinian. It has several similarities to Italian and in particular the old dialects of Italian from Tuscany. Sassarese is spoken by approximately 100,000 people, out of a total population of 175,000, in the northwest coastal areas of Sardinia, Italy. Large Sassarese-speaking communities are present in Sassari, Stintino, Sorso, and Porto Torres. Sassarese's transition varieties towards Gallurese, known as the Castellanese dialects, can be heard in Castellzardo, Turgu, and Sardini. Sassarese emerged as an urban language of commerce in the latter part of the age of the Giudicati, 13th–14th century. It is based on a mixture of different languages, namely Corsican, Tuscan, and Ligurian. A strong Logudorese influence can be felt in its phonetics, syntax, and vocabulary. A minor influence in vocabulary was exercised by Catalan and Spanish. There exist many modern and older works both on and in Sassarese, and a number of cultural, social, and theatre events are held regularly in connection with it. In 1943, the German linguist Max Leopold Wagner wrote a dialect of the people which, by all indications, was formed gradually from the 16th century, after several very deadly plagues decimated the population of the city. The bulk of the survivors were of Pisan and Corsican origin. There were even Genovese. Thus was born this hybrid dialect which is now spoken in Sassari, Porto Torres and Sorso, whose base is Tuscan corrupted with traces of Genovese, in addition to not a few Sardinian words. Un dialetto plebeo che, secondo tutti gli and Izzi. Si stava formando a poco a partire dal sec. 16. Dopo che vari pestilens mortalissime avevano decimato la popolazione della città. Dei superstici la massima parte era di origine pisana e corsa, e non mancavano neanche genovesi. Così nat quel dialetto ibrido che oggi si parla a Sassari, a Porto Torres ed a Sorso. Le sue basi un Toscana carotto con qualche traccia genovese, e con non pochi vocaboli sardi. Official status. Sassarese is recognized as an official language by the regional government of Sardinia. The same value attributed to the Sardinian culture and language is recognized referring to the relative territory to the culture and Catalan language of Alghero, the Tabarcino of the islands of Saltese, the Sassarese and Gallurese dialect. Maps. A Escora di Sassare su Sassari. TV. Saggio di Grammatica Sassarese. Antonino Rubici. See also Sardinian, Corsican and Gallurese languages. Sardinia, Sassari, Porto Torres, Sorso, Stintino, Castellzardo, Sardinian Turgu.